In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract pages in DocHub. If you've ever needed just a few pages from a larger PDF, maybe a single form, a section of a report, or a specific set of diagrams, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to pull them out cleanly and save them as their own file. Start by opening DocHub. Head to DocHub.com and sign in so you can access your documents. Once you're on your dashboard, locate the PDF you want to work with and click it to open it in the editor. Give the file a moment to load. You'll know it's ready when you can see the full toolbar in the Page Preview area. Next, open the Page Manager, sometimes called the Thumbnails sidebar. Look to the left side of the editor and click the page icon. It looks like a stack of small rectangles or a grid. This panel shows miniature previews of every page in your PDF, which makes it easy to spot exactly what you need. Now select the page or pages you want to extract. Click a single thumbnail to select it. If you need more than one, hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac while clicking each additional page. You should see each selected page visibly highlighted. If you click the wrong one, just click it again to deselect. Take a second to confirm you've got everything you need. This helps avoid creating multiple extracts later. Once your pages are selected, look just above the thumbnails for a small toolbar that appears. Click Extract. In some layouts, this option may appear as Download Selected Pages. Either way, choose the option that extracts your selection. DocHub will automatically create a new document that contains only the pages you picked. Your original PDF remains unchanged, so there's no risk of losing anything. When the new document opens, rename it to something clear and descriptive so you can find it quickly later. A concise name helps keep your files organized. With the name set, it's time to save a copy to your computer. Click Export, then choose Download PDF. Pick your destination folder, confirm the file name, and save. That's it. The extracted pages are now their own PDF, ready to share, print, or archive. To recap, open your PDF in DocHub, use the thumbnail sidebar to select the pages you need, click Extract, then rename and download the new file. It's a fast, reliable way to carve out exactly the content you want from any larger PDF.